Hey guys, George here once again with another modification for a DJ coffin. This is a ProX coffin, dual spaced, and let me show you what goes inside. The Prime 4, Denon Prime 4, this is the new controller that has a screen over here so you can DJ without a laptop, which is kind of cool. Very big unit, by the way, very well made. But this is the custom job that we made for it. In the front, it has two Sennheiser EWd1s. That's receiver 1, that's receiver number 2. Then we have a custom panel on the top. So your speaker left, your zone left, or you can do 2 zones, but right now we're running single zone. And this is your booth. This is your microphone input for your wired microphone, and this is for your right speaker. So left and right speakers, and then you have your in. So all the wires come in the front and they just dangle by the back of the DJ, so you don't see it in the front, and there's no holes in the case, which this makes it perfectly for flying, because once you lock everything in, there's nothing sticking out. Everything is color coded. Everything is Neutrik. You have color coded, so your ins and outs are all here. They're all going to be labeled. This is the connection for the laptop. We have the power supplies for the Sennheisers, and then we have a power strip here with some USB so they can plug in their phones and chargers and things whatnot. So that is the customization. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to email or comment below.